I can predict a massive adoption of the biodegradable concept and device and stents in the future.
There's never been a device like Archimedes that's been CE approved for clinical use for the hepatopancreatic biliary space. Q3 Medical is truly focused around creating value by helping people. And what that really means is creating technology that will really drive patient benefits. My grandmother died of pancreatic cancer, so this is a big motivator. That was the whole reason for Archimedes.
This is something really changing completely the quality of life of our patients.
We need to completely change our practice, and this has to be incorporated in guidelines. I can foresee that probably next guidelines, when we talk about post-ERCP pancreatitis, we will not be very generic. You have to place a stent. We need to indicate that the stent must be biodegradable.
When COVID came up, one idea was to reduce subsequent endoscopies by planting biodegradable stents. We put in the stent and we don't have post-ERCP prophylaxis. We could avoid 97% of the follow-up endoscopies.
So this is the Archimedes stent. This was the first stent that I had the possibility to try from Q3 Medical. This is how endoscopically you can put the stent in the same way that you do it with the other stent. Plastic and metal stent has several uses. Nevertheless, they still have some drawbacks.
Tissue reaction to metal, it's like foreign body reaction, it's horrible. With plastic, they get occluded because of biofilm creation. Bacteria, they grow so fast.
The idea of this shape, helicoidal shape, that allow the bile to flow not only from the inside, but also from the outside. We really love it, and we decided to go for the study. And quickly, we realized that the indication could be also for the interventional radiologist or surgeon as well.
So our collaborations are huge, and also we are working actually in our center and in many other centers with surgeons and with radiologists, and so there are different ways about biodegradable stents that can be and should be used.
And that's why we invented Unity, which is the world's first CE-approved biodegradable implant.
So the stent that we have selected is a balloon expandable biodegradable stent. This is called as Unity B stent. The only major advantage which I foresee compared to other contemporary stents is that you don't require a second procedure to remove the stent.
The most important one, maybe from the patient's perspective, is to avoid repeated procedures.
Traditionally, you place a plastic stent, send the patient home, get him back to the hospital after 3 to 7 days. You perform X-ray or you plan a removal procedure, or if the stent migrated, you send him home again. You place a biodegradable stent, he goes home. This is what I call stent and forget.
Costs and the cost effectiveness of the procedure and the hospitalization and all the indirect costs related to this procedure we are really avoiding, with a very high quality outcomes regarding the clinical success.
If you're the type of person that is really interested in innovative technology and helping patients, please contact us.